Okay, hello everybody. So what we have today is a setat Alhambra, and we have a problem with the back lid. So if you sometimes come on and try to lift the door lock, as you can see, and it's not working, then problem could be solved pretty easy and very fast. So if you unscrew those 3 screws out, it's very easy, of course, when you get the back lid out. Then if you walk inside, you can see there is a micro switch, which one is for opening the door lock. Here you go. That's the micro switch. So basically you can hear the sound how the unlock motor working. So this one in here. So this unlocks the lock. So what the problem is, as you can see, if I try to lift another side, it's going past and not pushing down a switch. It's basically not far enough, and oh, it's done now. Okay, now you can see it's not doing the job right. So the problem is you have to move it straight down to activate the locking motor. So that's the problem. What you can do, very easy way. If you have a little pipe like this one or something like that, you can just get it on the top, just like that, push it on, and later you can cut it off pretty easy. So just take any cut stuff what you have and cut this thing off. That's pretty simple. You don't need any new parts, basically nothing. Just put it on and look now. And now it's gonna work perfect. Look on this. Now it's pushing all the way down, right to the end. And now all good. Now you can place the lock back in the place again. This thing, and all gonna be good. All just because this little micro switch. Okay, thanks for watching. Good luck.